Is it yummy? Stop eating your feet. It's gross. Come on. Yuck. Very good. It's your 6-month birthday. Ah! Why do you keep on doing that? It's not funny. It's not funny. You keep on laughing. Say mama. Mama. Hey, pretty. Oh, no, do not eat your feet. No. Don't eat that feet. You keep on holding your feet, huh? Start there. Oh no! That's feet, not food. Yuck! It's not funny. It's not funny. Very good. You want to hold the camera? Come on, you get it.